Hi preps, welcome to Monday's SoundWaves lesson. I hope you're all having a good day so far. I'm just going to turn me off so I can limit the distractions, and then I'm going to present my screen. Okay, we're just about there. Hopefully you're able to see my screen now. Close that one. Okay. Today we are talking about double S, which makes the sound S. It's part of the floss rule. So the floss rule is where you double the last letter on words with one syllable following a short vowel. Now, just so you know, the short vowels are A for apple, E for egg, I for igloo, O for orange, A for umbrella. The long vowels, just so you're aware, are A for agent, E for queen, I for ice cream, O as in go, U as in unit. So that's what we mean when we say the vowel says its name. So when I say, the A says its name, that's what we mean. That's a long vowel. But today is the short vowels. The floss rule is heard after a short vowel at the end of a one-syllable word. It is spelled with a double F, a double L, a double S, or a double Z. So some examples of this are cliff, kiss, fizz, bell, and buzz. Now, the kids learnt last week about how to work out how many syllables are in words. Please tell your person helping you, if you can remember, how you can work out how many syllables are in a word. Now, I taught the students in my grade, Prep H, the humming method, because that's what works easiest for me. See if they can tell you how that works. I know some other teachers taught the chin movement lesson up against their fingers, and there's also the clapping method for counting syllables. So see if you can get your student to tell you how to work out how many syllables are in a word. Okay, here we go on SoundWaves. So we are looking at double S, which is S for seal. Seal swim, seal slide. Hopefully you've already watched the chants and actions, so we can move straight into the lesson. Now, I'm going to say each sound, and then we're going to read the word. The green dot here is for a consonant. We've got a blue dot here for a vowel, and then we've got more consonants here. In this case, it is a phoneme, and it is represented by the graphemes N and G, makes the sound. So the phoneme is the and the grapheme are the letters N and G. So, S, O, song, rung, k, king. Can you do the cute articulation as you go along with this? Hang, duck, sock, kick, neck, back, zip, zap. You can mute me if you like and continue on without me. See how you go. Web, web, wet, win, vet, v, a, n, van. Y, e, t, yet. Y, e, s, yes. J, a, g, jug. Last one. J, o, g, jog. Very well done. Here is how to say the sound. Watching along. S, s, s. As you can see, the sound is made through the teeth. It's a voice off sound. Now, I want you to have a think about some words and names that contain the S sound, specifically the double S sound. S. Maybe you can write some of these down, and that can be something you show your teacher today. This is the grapheme S.
We know the letter S shows the sound S in sip, sat, and sob. But we can also use two-letter S's to show S in words like kiss, mess, and toss. When you see the seal and two-letter S's, say S.
Great work. All right, we're going to read some new list words. Let's have a go. There's only 5 of them. The first sound on this word is what? The next sound is eh. And the last sound is s. So how many sounds are in this word? Eh, s. There's 3 sounds. Put it together. Mess. Good work. I, s. How many sounds? Put it together. I, s. Miss. As in, I miss you. K, I, s. How many sounds in this word? K, I, s. Kiss. You might like to give your teddy a kiss. T, o, s. How many sounds? T, o, s. Toss. Toss means to throw something away, usually carelessly. F, a, s. F, a, s. How many sounds can you hear? What is the word? Fuss. Someone's making a fuss of something. Okay. Next, we're going to have a go at writing. So I'd love you to please get a pencil and a piece of paper or a whiteboard or whatever you've got to write with. Have a go at writing these words as I say the sounds. So we've got eh, s. What's that word? Don't forget it's double S because that's our focus sound. Eh, s. What is that word? Write it down for me. Now, if you need to pause as we do this, please, by all means, go for it and come back when you're ready. The next one is I, s. I, s. Have a go at writing those sounds and tell me what word it is. The next word is k, I, s. K, I, s. Write it down. T, o, s. T, o, s. What word is it? The last one is f, a, s. S. Good job. And finally, we've got the activity. So can you please write the words mess, miss, kiss, toss, and fuss on your piece of paper? And then in a coloured pencil, just colour over where you can hear the S sound in the word. Next up, you can colour the seal if you can hear the S sound at the end of the picture name. So obviously you can't colour in the seal because the seal is on the screen. So could you just write the words that have the S sound? There's 5 seals. This one is the word cross. This one is the word dress. Then we've got grass, doll, and cap. Which ones end in the long S sound? Can you write those ones for me? Again, pause if you need to. Then write how many sounds you can hear in each of these words. So the word sock. How many sounds can you hear in that word? Break it down. S, o, k. There's 3 sounds, okay? Yes, there's 4 letters, but there is 3 sounds because the C and the K together make the K sound. Next, we've got seat. How many sounds can you hear in this word? S, E, T. Write down the number. Bus, B, A, S. How many sounds can you hear in the word bus? Sun, S, A, N. Last one, kiss, K, E, S. How many sounds can you hear in that word? The last thing I want you to do is to look at this last activity. It says finish the sentences with the words from the seal. So we've got our seal here. The 2 words are toss and mess. So this sentence is look at the blank space. There's nothing there. Look at the full stop. See Sam his hat. What would make sense out of these 2 words? Have a go at writing, or at least tell the person sitting with you what would make sense. Would toss work in this first sentence? Look at the toss. See Sam mess his hat. Do those make sense? I wonder. We'll leave that to you to figure out. And that is the end of our lesson for today. Don't forget to send through some things to your teacher. I also just want to recommend this activity on the SoundWaves activity thing that you can do. The links on our remote learning page, just on this page actually. Go to the word mess. You can choose any of them. I'm just going to show you how it works. So the word mess, S. How many sounds can you hear? 3. S. So I've got 3 sounds in there. Now, what graphemes do I need? Well, here's a clue. They're up there. For mummy on the moon. Then we've got empty egg. And then we've got S. I'm going to verify that. Yes, I got it. Can you do the next one? I'll leave it with you. Have a good day, guys.